Let me introduce to you the composition of our frame circuit breakers. This is our drawer type frame circuit breaker. It consists of a body and a drawer seat. The main body is composed of controller mechanism, the trip coil, the closing coil, energy storage motor, secondary terminal blocks and backlight, and the arc interrupter is formed together. This is the composition of our frame circuit breaker. The red one is our interrupting chamber. The shell is heat resistant and flame retardant. It's made of resin. Inside is our contact. This is the moving contact of our frame circuit breaker. Our moving contact, copper plated with silver contacts. The number of contact pieces is like 10 pieces within 2000 shell racks. Some manufacturers use less. They use 8 or 6 pieces to cut corners. We use 10 pieces of silver-plated copper. Contact point is silver alloy. It's heat resistant and flame retardant. Our copper plate is thick. These are our static contacts. The top one is a static touch point. The entire static touch point is a silver spot of silver alloy. The silver content is 85% silver chromium oxide. It's silver plated on the outside. Now let me introduce to you how to disassemble and assemble the motor. Now we are going to demonstrate to you how to disassemble and assemble our motor. Many customers need to repair it. Disassemble this motor. We have made this video introduction. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Align the shaft and insert it. After inserting it, install the screws and fix it. Then connect the corresponding wires to the secondary terminals. The motor is installed. You can watch the video for details. This is to connect the wires. The motor wires are 333435. Pay attention to connect the wires. Now I'll show you how to disassemble and assemble the opening and closing coil. The disconnector and the closing coil are the same. First, remove the wires from the terminal block. Then you can disassemble the trip coil, the closing coil. Loosen these 2 screws. Then you can take out the trip coil. Take out the closing coil. Now it is the same installation. First, fix the screw on the mechanism. Then connect the corresponding secondary wires to the terminal position. How to connect them? What's the number? Just refer to the secondary wiring diagram.